Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload your CapCut projects into TikTok. So in here, what you need to do is just finish your edits in CapCut, and after that, when just click on export at the top, click on the arrow icon, and just wait until the exporting process is finished. So after it finishes, if you want to directly upload it to your TikTok account, you can just click on the share to TikTok button, and after that you'll be directed to the TikTok apps like this. Now you can just click on next, then just write the captions. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.